Hi, Junction City. Welcome to BISH'S RV. Today I would like to show you a mobile suites. This is a 2022. It is beautiful. So there are a lot of features that I'd like to go over, so we got to go inside to do that. So my name is Mary and I will be giving you a tour. So here we are inside. There's an elegant feel about this unit, and it's like a hotel lobby, I always say. This is the dinette area, and you've got reclining chairs here and a sofa right across from the TV. And as we walk around, you can see some of the highlighted areas. There's accent lighting all the way throughout, which gives it kind of an elegance, so I think. Then there's a residential sized fridge and freezer, which is really helpful. You can stock that thing really full. And here is the control panel. We have a very full-size bathroom. I'll let you go ahead and look inside there. Beautiful, lit, lots of room, storage. And then the bedroom, beautiful king-size bed. Look at that. And then a full-size closet. You can put a lot of clothing and gear in there. So this is a beautiful unit. If you'd like to come on out and look, please give me a call. My name is Mary, 406-850-4590. Have a great day.